supposedly to protect us from a pandemic and being used to protect the council from their residents.
Don't get too close to me.
This is how the council and the police are using COVID laws to stop accountability, to stop democracy, to stop protest. We shouldn't be here because they shouldn't be here. They should not be pushing ahead with this environmental vandalism, destruction of a community. Look at the abuse of power here. This is power on display against the community, against the environment. This is not over. How can the government ask us to trust them to give them powers to deal with the pandemic when we see the abuse of those powers being used to push through a development that nobody wants, being used against peaceful protesters who pose no risk to anyone's health? This is scandalous. Shame on Lambeth Council.
Senator.